Hey kids, I'm headed out to Miami Freedom Park to see how the construction is going. So let's go check it out. Well, as you can see, it's a Saturday and they got construction going. The stadium is going up pretty quickly. If you guys seen the last video, you can tell there's a difference. Quite a difference. Well, look at that. Working on Saturday. Looking pretty good. Well, it looks like somebody's fishing here. Look at that, nice little boat. This is the canal that divides the hotel from the stadium. There's a better angle. So they are working. It's looking pretty good now. Quite a bit of construction going on. Planes going by. So the good thing, the construction looks like it's pretty far advanced. They're working on Saturdays. I think last time Peter recorded on a Sunday, and they weren't. I guess they get Sunday off, but it's. I think they will be done by 2026. Exactly which month, I don't know, because I'm sure what they take longer in is usually the inside of the stadium, all the little details. But as you can see, the construction itself of the building itself is going up pretty quick. So it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty excited to see that it's advancing. And it looks like it'll be on time, but they always have the backup of having their own stadium in Fort Lauderdale. So if they do go a little longer, they can still play in Fort Lauderdale. So that's good. I always like this angle the best because you can see the whole stadium with the canal going there. It's pretty cool. But you can see the shape of it going up. It's going up quick. And it's really exciting to see all this progress. And of course I gotta show the critters. Look at all them critters. They just keep reproducing. They're not native, but they're still here. Good for them. Look at that big one. And so there's all them portable offices and stuff they're using. Like I said, everybody they are working hard to get this thing done. There's people all over the place working. See if we can get some people over here. Saw some people up there. There you go. There's a couple people working up there. So the seats are going up. I mean, the premium seats are already available. They've got like this video going that I saw the other day with a drone. That was pretty cool. It was a little outdated, I think, by a few days, but it's still. Like I said, you can still call up your sales rep and set up a date to go check that out and get your seats to Miami Freedom Park. Now, if you see back there, it's still on the land, the Miami Freedom Park area. or where the park's gonna be, they've got like this off ramp going. I believe that'll probably connect with the highway. It's still within the property itself. Looks like it's gonna be an off ramp. That's gonna help a lot. A lot of people are concerned about the congestion, all the possible traffic. Well, that's gonna definitely help a lot. And the plane's taking off there somewhere. There he is. There's the plane right there. So what do you guys think? A cool angle. Check it out before they kick us out. That's a cool angle of the whole stadium thing. Looks like they're gonna make probably a connection to the street. I don't know how it's gonna be, but it's kind of cool as the plane goes off. So what do you guys think? Will the stadium be ready on time? It's looking pretty good so far. Here on a Saturday morning, it's nice and sunny, busy day. They're still working. We're going to see if we can do some different angles next time. Hopefully we can get like somebody on the inside to give us a little tour. Maybe not now, but a little bit more in the future when it's a little more constructed, I'm sorry. And what do you guys think? Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Quick video. See ya.